Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Today I want to show you guys, just in case you have a Dell 1545 laptop, and these came with or without Bluetooth installed. Show you how to install Bluetooth for $4 if you want it. First thing you do is you unplug your computer, you roll it over, you take your battery out, get your battery out of it, and then back's hurting a little today. Right here, on this side there'll be a little screw. On this side there'll be a little screw. I leave these out. Once I take them out, there's no reason to put them back in it, and I'll show you why. Alright, you open your screen up all the way so it's flat as you can get it. Take a little screwdriver. You're going to need a little Phillips and a little straight blade. The little straight blade, right here on the corner, there's a little divot. Stick your screwdriver in there and carefully pry up so you can get it in your hand like that. And then wiggle it, just barely wiggle it back and forth and work your way across. Don't pull up hard, just a little tiny pressure, and wiggle it and wiggle it. This panel will come off. Okay? Put that aside. Alright, now we're going to get ready to install our Bluetooth right here. Alright, so you're going to need to go on eBay. This guy sells these for $4. I don't know how many of them he has, but just a little Bluetooth module like that, and it goes right there. So you just take your little Bluetooth and put it down in the socket and push down. Now you can put a screw in it if you have one, or if you don't, the cover will hold it down. You don't need to have the screw if you don't have one. I think I might have one here, but it's kind of a no matter thing because with the cover on, it can't fall out. I think I have one there. Little tiny screw. But if you don't have one, it's not a biggie. I happen to have one here from collecting screws over the years from laptops. But that's it. You're done installing, physically installing your hardware there. Then you take your cover. It'll have a little ear on the bottom on both sides. Put those in. Then you wiggle. Don't get too firm with this thing because it can break, so you got to be careful. Put this side in first, and then install this ear down, and then work your way across a few times, back and forth. Pop it back on. That's what I was saying. You don't really need those screws on the bottom, because I guarantee you that thing is not falling off. And then you might have to go back here and pinch your two gaps shut with your fingers. And that's it on that part of it. You roll her back down, put your battery back in, plug in your power cord like such, turn it on, let it boot up, Alright, it's all booted up now. What I did is I went to Dell and got the driver. So we're going to go ahead and show you what driver it is here. Well, we're having a little difficulty. There we go. Came up. That's the driver. It's an R228749. That's the driver for your Bluetooth for your 1545. You go ahead and open that driver up, and it'll unzip itself. Close that. You unzip it to the where it says to unzip it. I'll show you how to do that. When you go on there to look for a wireless, look for a Bluetooth, it's a 365 Bluetooth module, Broadcom. I don't know how many the guy has, or if you'll see the video before he runs out, but they're not hard to get and they're like $4. Alright, so that's it. It'll stop from there. Then you take and go down, you go to your computer again, you open up C, then you go to Dell, then you go to drivers, there it is. You open that and you click setup. And it'll go ahead and install your Bluetooth from there. Takes a minute, quite a few minutes for it to do this because it's got to unpack it all. And this works with 32 and 64 OS systems. This is for Windows 7, but you can use this Bluetooth with 10. I have tested it and it does work. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, in a nutshell, it's real easy. So you just let it unzip, follow it from here, and then you'll have Bluetooth on your 1545. I know this is an older computer, but it works great. It does a lot of things that I found the new stuff won't do, so it works. Why mess with what works? And you can put 10 on these and it runs just as smooth as 7. So we just happen to like 7, so we're sticking with it for now, and we don't do anything that we need to have security problems about. It doesn't really matter. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Follow the instructions on screen. You can't go wrong. And your little Bluetooth will come up down in your toolbar down at the bottom. There you go. We'll catch you next time. I'll leave a link down there if I can find all the links for the module. But like I said, he may or may not have any. You just have to type in Dell 1545 Bluetooth module, and it'll come up with, on eBay is where I got mine. There you go. Take it easy. Bye-bye.